When asked if HIV/AIDS has made a resurgence in the Federation, the Minister of Health, Prime Minister Dr Terrance Drew, said it is not out of control but a policy demand that any unusual spike gets an aggressive response. According to Dr. Drew, a special response is being undertaken aimed at the younger people. He said, however, there is an attitude that HIV/AIDS is just like a chronic disease. Dr. Drew attributes this kind of thinking to the availability of treatment for HIV/AIDS in the Federation and believes that education about the syndrome be elevated once again. At the time of his comments, Dr. Drew was hosting the roundtable with representatives of the news media.
We have been out there much more at the school level, doing more testing and so forth in specific demographics to make sure that we continue to deal with it. HIV is not rampant and out of control in, say, kids and neighbors. But we are so sensitive and we are so open with the data that anytime there's a little spike anywhere, anything that we don't like to see, we are going to call attention to it and we are going to act aggressively. So there's no out of control of this. However, I want to say to our people that HIV/AIDS is still real. Some people are taking it too lightly sometimes and say it has become a chronic disease because of the good medications and so forth. Asking people to safe practices still. You know, condoms should still be used. Abstinence is still an option. And therefore, our people will have to take responsibility. But education helps. And so we have really increased our strategy, our outings in terms of meeting the community, in terms of testing and so forth. And you'll see that being done robustly. But not just for HIV/AIDS, but for preventative medicine in general. Our people, we need as a people, all of us need to take better care of ourselves.
Meanwhile, the National AIDS Secretariat recently obtained the services of 2 experienced nurses who have joined the HIV rapid testing team at the Bastia Health Center. Glenn Bart reporting for SKN Newsline.